to the woman I'm becoming. I see you.
Hey, Queens and Kings, welcome back. So today we're doing a grocery haul. Now this time, y'all may be a little proud of me because I got a lot of healthy stuff this time here. Because I'm really intentional, trying to get my weight down, okay? And eat better and everything like that. Well, let me go ahead and show you all. Some of the stuff I did put up, like my ground turkey. I don't put the milk up because honestly, I was just gonna put this stuff up. And I was like, no, let me show them Queens and Kings. I got 2 cases of water. So I don't put them over there and I put some in the refrigerator. What else did I not show you all? I don't know what the hell it is, but I'll let you know when I get to it because I can't remember right now. Some things did not come at all, so you have my money back for that. But let me show y'all, girl, because I'm happy about this one here. Okay, right off the bat, I got some cream cheese, some heavy whipping cream, some turkey sausage, some cheese, some turkey bacon, got me some everything bagels, applesauce, maple extract. I want to try this cream cheese. I couldn't find a small one, so I got this one here. Only thing that did not come was the peanut butter, so now I gotta wait to find that. So I bought the little cooking stuff. Y'all know that's kind of went viral. Listen here, baby steps, baby steps. Some seasoning, some more vanilla, Greek yogurt. I actually kind of like the taste of it. Some chips. We're gonna dazzle that on now. We can find on sugar free, so don't start. I got some banana peppers. I got some soy sauce, less sodium. Then I got me some of this Skinny Girl avocado classic Caesar dressing, some bone broth, whatever these are, fruit snacks. Then I bought me some of the fruit and yogurt ones. I like those. Flat seeds, because I'm actually gonna try to make a concoction for my hair, and some protein oats and honey granola. I'm trying to make better choices to be more mindful about what I eat. Small habits really adds up. Okay, so we'll start right here. But anyway, so we got some grapes. We got, oh, I see it. Andre wanted some of these fried bills, so with the ridges. Some strawberry and banana frozen fruits, grapefruits, sweet potatoes, some corn, and got eggs, some lime, cucumbers in there, some more of these little honey gold potatoes. I like those. Some strawberries, broccoli. I have some in the refrigerator. This chicken breast, I remember I told you if I ever lived alone, I would just this own breast out about. So I have like 2 bags of those in there. This powdered sugar. Baby, I don't know what this cabbage is for. Who is this for? I don't even know. But yeah. Sorrento. Yeah. Bananas, oranges, cantaloupe, spinach. Got 2 things of spinach because I want to make some more of that dip. We got some romaine, watermelon, apple, avocado, and some potato. And I stopped by Dollar General. I got some more paper towels and some laundry detergent because I needed that. So like I said, I have 2 cases of water over there. I did buy milk. That's what I put in the refrigerator. Or did I not tell you that? Milk and orange juice, some chips, and what else? I put in this doggone freezer. Pancakes. The what are these things called here? Girl, I don't know. Those things there. Oh, and some ground turkey. And I think that was it. Because I have chicken and all that stuff there in there. But yeah, so that was all that I got. I need to fill up the refrigerator. So, but yeah, just want to show y'all my grocery haul. I spent a little bit more this month here. I said I had started putting some stuff up, and I was like, we ain't gonna do no haul with y'all, but why not show you all my haul this week here. I'm proud of myself. I got a lot of fruits and vegetables. That look nice up there. That really do look nice up there. It really does. I want to leave it up there, but it's gonna go bad. So Can't do that. I'll be back. Now, you all know I hate laundry, but it's because laundry is one of those things that never ends. But I do have to say, putting the clothes away instance make me feel more organized. Now, this is days later, queens and kings. But I do have to say, I feel much better mentally when my space is clean. Resetting my home helps me reset my mind too. So that's what we're about to do. So like I said, it's days later. The house was organized. The living room, I should say, but now we're back to unorganized. So we're just gonna do these little laundry, put things away. This is me putting away Will's mess where he started. So therefore I could go ahead and clean and reset and vacuum and mop and dust and all those things to get my living room back to what I need it to be. But we also gonna do a little extra reset and changing some things around. Yes, y'all see the shirt, Tidy Queen. Now who the hell told Willie to wash these damn towels with the rugs? Listen, I'm just these children, mama. That's it. But I did call him and ask him about it. He was like, Mom, I'm sorry. I was just trying to make a whole full load. So what y'all see me shaking and dusting off myself is basically how the mat started to shed up underneath. It's all over the towels and everything. So it's going to be a big mess that we definitely have to vacuum up. Sometimes cleaning is less about the house and more about resetting yourself. I learned that taking care of my environment is also taking care of me.
Your birthday, your favorite position. Do we still have chemistry? Since you've been gone away so long. You said it won't hurt a bit if I allow you to stitch these open wounds while you kiss me. Take a deep breath, air in my chest, counting to 3. Take a deep breath, air in my chest, counting to 3. Faith is a leap, trusting your promise, I open up just for you. So like I said before, this season of my life is about peace, intentional living, and protecting my energy. I'm creating a home and a life that feels good to me. You know, progress over perfection, always. Let me show you where I'm broken so we can begin again. Feel that. Remember, I told you guys about that mess. Now, as you all can see, it's all over the floor. The rubber or whatever it is up under the mat. And as I was shaking and folding, it just was flying everywhere. So it's everywhere. It's totally everywhere. So let's get this up. You guys know life has been lifing lately. But that's okay. That is okay. Because today is about creating the calm again. So, a clean home really helps me feel lighter mentally. Cleaning usually feels like a chore, but now I see it as self-care. So reset days honestly help me feel grounded. Fix The living room always makes the biggest difference when it's clean. Don't you agree? So I'm trying to become better at keeping systems in place. You know, little habits throughout the week help prevent the overwhelm. Decluttering really helps my anxiety too at times. Cause baby, if the anxiety come, baby, I'm overstimulated. So little things, little habits.
You know, baby, I've been feeling so good lately. Seeing the sky bluer, the grass greener. I'm trying to fight it, but I know it's you. Oh, you see it too? Yeah. Never knew that I would put myself out there. Scary to be visionary, but you came in at just the right time. Yeah, you came in and blew my mind. Never knew that I could make a work of art.
The living room is where we spend most of our time. So I love when it feels cozy. You know, fluffing my pillows and straightening the decor changes the whole vibes.
Black and white. God, I've been so blind. This is the vision I always envisioned, and I know why. It's you. You inspire everything I do. You're the reason life feels so amusing. Your voice is like my music, my music. It's you. It's you. My music.
I'm going for a clean, calm, and luxury home vibes. Nothing pretty much hits like, fresh blankets, candles, in a clean space.
Making use of these feelings inside.
I want my home to feel peaceful, soft, and intentional. Creating a home that I actually enjoy being in has become important to me.
I play with all colors now. I've come a long way from black and white. God, I've been so blind. This is the vision I always envisioned, and I know why. It's you. You inspire everything I do. You're the reason life feels so amusing. Your voice is like my music, my music.
I'm trying to romanticize and taking care of my space more. I feel much better mentally when my space is clean. Resetting my home helps me reset my mind too. So, I've been loving the clean and cozy atmosphere lately. Home should be peaceful, you know? It have to be full of chaos and unorganized and all the things of the things. But, you know, I learned that becoming her starts with the little habits and the routines. This is your sign that you do not have to clean perfectly. Just start somewhere. And what I mean by that, resetting, lighting candles, bringing the peaceful vibes back into your space. That's throwing the blanket over the chair, reorganizing your living room, sweeping your floor, vacuuming your floor, fluff those pillows, wipe down some tables, even some walls, whatever it is to bring the peaceful vibes back into your space. Whatever that resetting is, do it, queen. Do it, king.
Seeing the sky bluer, the grass greener. I'm trying to fight it, but I'm jealous of your left side neck tattoo, 'cause it means so much to you, and it won't ever remove. I'm jealous of your day one cousins too, 'cause they knew you from the womb and know all that you've been through. I'm jealous of the way the sun gets to shine on you. I'm jealous of the way
I love when my home feel calm and organized. Everything just feels so much lighter.
please tell me,
A
baby.
clean home really changes my mood. Thank you, Queens and Kings, for spending the day resetting with me. Don't forget to rest after your reset now, okay? I'll see you all in the next vlog.
Don't let nothing take my place. Supposed to be all mine. From the car you drive to the street you ride. I'm jealous. I'm selfish. All mine. I'm jealous of the seasons as they
So this is pretty much how the carpet look. It came as clean as possible that I could get it. Honestly, I think I need to get another type of carpet cleaner solution, a formula, however you want to look at it though. But it came pretty clean though, but I still just feel like I need to do some more definitely here to the sides here, as you all can see. But I'm gonna use my smaller, like handheld, the one that I showed you guys, the smaller one, the little green. I'm gonna use that there to get into areas like that. But yeah, so for the most part, and here it look like I have a spot here. I'm not even sure. Look like it, but maybe probably because where the legs and stuff of the table was at. But let me show you all the rest of the living room.
I'm just
All right, Queens and Kings, so the living room is completely done. Give you guys an overview of everything, how it all looked, how it turned out. Pretty much how this side looking over here. This is the coffee table for now. This is pretty much how it looked. I didn't do anything too different besides the flower, and I added my parents' picture on them. That was the last picture that they took together, and we was going to church. I know the kids and I took a picture as well, but that was the picture that we took of him and her together. So that was the last picture that they got to take together. I can't get it out. I'm so tired. I'm exhausted, but yeah, so this is pretty much how it looks. So over here, I like that I moved the mirror from over here. Just give a much cleaner look over here. I don't know, something about that mirror, I'm just kind of over it being over there or in the front room, period. I don't know, I just have to figure some other things out. But as of right now, this is what I have going on. And for my ottomans, I just placed the ottomans over there just in case I need some extra seating. They out of the way, you know, but they'd pretty much probably been on each side of the fireplace or probably in front of the fireplace if I did not have those two vases of flowers there. But anywho, I just went back with this style of arranging the furniture because it feel open, and I got tired of that chair right here. It just made it look, well, it just gave a closed off feeling. And I was just tired of it, so I just went back to this here. This is a better look for this living room, so it helped balance everything out. All right, Queens and Kings, so that's pretty much it for Becoming Her. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Even though this part of it is days later, but anyways, I hope you guys enjoy spending some days with me. If you all did, please like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will talk to you, Queens and Kings, in the next one. And remember, your crown may tip, but a damn sure won't fall. Bye-bye.